Tell me, Neil, how do you feel about our new plan?
Not liking it.
Nah, me neither, but I don't feel we have a choice. Good morning, everybody. We finally got a break in the weather and we have one day of decent weather to work on our cockpit project. So Neil worked graveyards last night, so he's sleeping, and I am going to do some caulking. So come along for the ride. You ate all your toast? Okay. Parenting in action here. Look at that big boat, honey.
Wow.
That's quite something.
There are 2 windows.
There is 2 windows.
There's 2 captains.
No, it'll be 1 captain, but they're 2 different. There's an upper steering station and then the cabin down below.
Oh.
Okay, off you go, monkey.
Whoopsies.
Don't break your cookies.
I won't.
So anyways, we got this nifty spreader for for caulking, so that way in theory you get less messy. We'll see if it works. Seems to work, but it certainly uses a lot more caulking than I normally would. On one hand, I hate caulking because it's so messy, but this is not bad. If you use this little doodad thingy by itself instead of on the end of the caulking gun, it kind of works like a, I don't know, what do you call it, chisel, scraper? I don't know, it's not bad. So as you can see, I filled that, and I filled that. There we go. And there's a pretty considerable gap here. It's like the width of my finger. Oh, sure, now I get messy. It's like the size of my finger. And the board here is directly into our galley, which we're having problems with. So that's why I'm caulking that, even though it's going to take forever to dry. And quite a lot of caulking, but maybe you can't see it. Anyways, ooh, it's squishy too. It's hollow. It's a wiggler. I don't know, is that little bit of plywood is, let me take my gloves off. Let's see. The edge of the plywood is crunchy, and then there seems to be a board, like a 1x2, and then, oh, wait a minute, what the hell have they done in here? Oh, yeah. As usual with boats, one of the things we're finding is the deeper you dig, the more sort of interesting things you find. Parts of this boat were made, like a tank, were incredible workmanship, and then other parts not so much. Basically, it's all rotten and needs to be replaced. Take this off. Replace this. This is soft. Cut all this out. This, we've realized that our winch isn't really held on with anything, and will not take the force of holding a sail on it. Not right now, baby. I gotta do some work here. Oh, that worked well. Tell me, Neil, how do you feel about our new plan?
Not liking it.
Nah, me neither, but I don't feel we have a choice. Yep, I guess it's time that I start keeping a full change of clothes and shoes in the car for him, as well as towels. Spring is here. I know. Spring is here. It's time for Decker to have a full change of clothes in the car.
Go get him!
Go get him! Learning to time the waves is a very important skill for sailors to learn, and this is a great way to do it. Oh, missed it. Now the next question is, does he need a life jacket?